Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the Holden Statesman 2008 model. And this one comes with the factory Holden Statesman HEADUNIT system before, and at this moment it actually is already been upgraded, and it is coming with the 10-inch quad LED touchscreen with the wireless Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay and USB for both of them, and it is custom fit very nicely on the dash. So basically the system is custom made to fit in nicely, and yeah, it looks good. It looks very nice from the angle of view for the drivers, and yeah, it fits nicely and firmly on the dash, and it boosts up the sound system from the car, which is so much nicer with the built-in strong amplifier inside the head. And it comes with full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera, which you can see right here. When we put into the reverse, it okay, need to turn the keys on. So yeah, that is the reverse camera, super clear and super detailed. You can count the thing on the workshop's floor. Okay, it's very clear, very clear. Okay, and even now you can try to count the brick from the other workshop in the front of our shop. Yep, that's very detailed, very sharp. Okay, and when we move the gear stick, it quickly turns from the camera back to the software before. And yep, that's the system we fit. And with the reverse camera, we definitely fit the camera right at the back end of the tailgate and make it look nicely. The system here is custom built with the soon fit in the steering wheel, wireless steering wheel control setup. Not right now, but soon, next week, will fit in. So far it was a very hard work challenge for our team, but it's all set, all done, and beautifully working. So yep, we would like to say thank you again. This is Holden Statesman 2008, and with the 10-inch upgrade by MPX AUTOS from Sydney. Thanks again, and see you then.